Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this tutorial today we'll see how can we create a release APK using Under Studio. So either we can create a release APK or a so this is our project. Now you need to go to the build, click on the build, then create on this build APK bundle or APK. Then you need to go and you need to see, sorry, you need to create a generate signed APK or bundle. Then you click on this next. Then if it is first time, then what you need to do, you need to select create new key store. So and you need to select the path. Okay, so let's consider you have to select one position somewhere. Okay, you need to select one position, one file. Then there you can do one thing, my key.jks file name you can give. Then you need to give a password which you need to remember. Then you need to confirm the password. Then alias you need to give alias which also you need to remember, and here you need to give key password. Then here you need to retype the key password again. Okay, so now it is a first name. The first name will like something you can type your name, your organization name, then your last organization unit. You can write something your unit or organization, then okay, then city or locality. Then you can type city or locality, then 0011, then country code 91, then okay. Now you can see this is the key store password, and you need to remember, and key alias this need to remember, because next time onwards whenever you are creating the signed APK or bundle, you need to give this alias and password. Then you click on next. Then it is asking for debug or release. You can select release, because if you want to publish in Play Store, so it will take few minutes. Then it will, you can see Gradle build is running, and within 1-2 minutes it will create a release APK or bundle file, so which you can go and which you can take this and take the file and distribute in your Play Store. So now you can see, so now click on locate. Now you can see the AB file is created. If you want, you can make it as a release APK also. You can, whenever selecting, at the time you have to select APK. Here whenever selecting generate sign or bundle APK, here you need to select APK. Here it will release APK will be created. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in another video.